Hello, beautiful people. I'm just fixing a few things and I'm all yours in 1, 2, 3, 4. Good day, good day. Happy Thursday, everybody. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the channel where I'm Ignas from Daily Pips. Just gonna spend another 2 or maybe even 3 today. I have freedom today. Maybe even 3 hours together with you reading price, reading price delivery, figuring out algorithmic trading entries together with you. So welcome to the stream. I'm excited to have you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. My hopes are every time the same, but I very much appreciate you guys showing up. So without any further ado, I'm gonna say something funny. I had a thought before going live today, actually. Which is, I wanted to say I'm even better than ICT. You know why? Because I show up every day. Michael literally showed up yesterday, ranted for half an hour in his mentorship chat and said, see you guys next week because I'm gonna go do taxes. I did my taxes already. I'm here to spend time with you guys now, so I hope you can appreciate it. I literally tried to say that I'm better than Michael himself, which I'm not. But jokes aside, hello Tiger, welcome, welcome, hope you're doing good. Let me just make sure this is alright, which it is. Charts are ready. I'm ready. I'm just figuring out if I see everything that I want. Forex is looking for that break of structure, which I like. Possibility to go lower on Forex. I like that. So very quickly. Dollar index bouncing away. Even though I would love to be bullish on it, this inversion doesn't allow me to be. In a way. No? So we're gonna have to watch it carefully. Out here. Similar story. It would be, even though market maker sell model is finished, going a little bit lower than what we are trading at right now is a possibility. Take a look at GU. It's breaking the structure right now. I'm gonna look for an opening actually here, but I won't trade it for you guys. We're not gathered for Forex, right? Or are we? Hey, Edgar's. Hello. Maybe at some point we can go live actually a bit earlier into the day. Trade New York, look for entries in New York session. That could be fun, right? Forex, even though is not really tradable, let's say, it struggles to deliver. Let's put it that way, right? But it's pretty good for learning, for education, you know? So, maybe an idea, right? Excuse me. Not only I'm struggling with my nose, not only I'm struggling with temperature in the office, where I'm sweating my ass off day in, day out for you guys. We had a difficult day yesterday as well. So one of the first real losing days for me happened yesterday, where I'm gonna be honest, I lost not because the markets were bad, I lost not because the price delivery sucked or anything like that. I lost because I traded stupid things. Put it very, very simply. I could have done better. So I wasn't able to avoid bad positions. I wasn't able to tell my brain, listen, this is gonna be a bad day of trading. I entered a few positions I shouldn't have, and then thus I took a big L into my nose, which is fine though. What are we watching today though? I like this. Immediately, you see how I just opened the chart and I see something that shouldn't be there. I like that also. Do you? Equal highs, just like we had them yesterday on ES, right? if you went through my report on the trade recaps chat on Discord, I like this. This is the PD array that is holding in the price, which is cool. Where are we trading at though? Premium as well, so this is alright. This can be top for us. I can work with that. That's cool. Going further, we still have ways to go on ES, but God, look how NQ not too much, but look how juicy this is. This has to be on your chart, guys. This has to go onto your chart. This is what I'm not saying that's what I'm gonna look for to be delivered today, but that has to be on the chart. Now what I mean by that, power of 3. I wrote a small post about this. Hello guys, hi, how are you? How are you? I wrote a small post about this and the price delivery so far, right? I kind of like the possibility of this getting inverted and pushing the price up here. Kinda do. Why? If you're watching this after the fact, stop this. Ask yourself why. If you're watching this live, let me take a sip of my coffee and try to think about it. Hopefully today is gonna be better than yesterday. How was your yesterday though? I think you left early, right? You took a very good choice leaving early. You played it smart. You played it smart, man. Which is cool. You just left, which is amazing. So you didn't waste time on silly stuff like what we were watching, right? It's okay. Took a loss of 300. It was done for doing no need to burn your brain. Ah, of course, man. That's smart. That's good. I like what you're saying there. Yeah, totally. Anywho, I asked you a question, right? I hope you gave it some thought. Why I am interested in price delivering a little bit higher. I'm not saying it will. I'm just gonna be watching it, right? Because we just run the targets for the week. I literally called this. And some of you were like, are we actually gonna deliver? I said yes. with an easy mind, you know, with a calm mind. I said, yeah, we're gonna. And we did. And not only we did, we created an SMT. Right? An inversion right after, push to the upside, right? Where's the target? Up here. That's what I'm gonna be watching today, okay? I'm not saying my overall draw on liquidity is higher. Not yet, okay? But that's what we're gonna be watching today, okay? So, 5 minutes chart. My short on use fucking me over. Which is okay. Edgar's took a good trade yesterday. Yes, man. Edgar's did awesome yesterday. Like, it's good. He waited and waited and waited and did a little bit more waiting. Like, he did good, man. It's cool to see stuff like that happening. We're literally on Discord after the stream just talking and saying to each other, like, should we go already? Should we not? And we kind of separated our ways. Bomb 10 minutes or so later, bomb, a good entry, you know? So let's see. I'm interested in those biceps residing above. There's a lot of way to get there as well. 100 handles, 20 handles here, which is cool. Something we can work with. Question now, when? Question is when? We're not trading too much in tandem, but markets are opening in what, in 3 minutes? Let me check the news calendar. What do we have for news happening today, huh? Let me do that for you guys. Oh, that was a nice picture, wasn't it? That's cool. I like that. No adult content, no nothing. 10 a.m. pending home sales. I don't care. But what I care about is that there's gonna be news at 10 o'clock. It's brilliant. That's what we're gonna wait for. So, put your hands under the table. Don't touch your mouse. Don't touch anything. Don't put any risk on until 10 a.m. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna, of course, evaluate what is being presented, what is happening. We're gonna do that, but we're not gonna touch the button until 10 a.m. We're gonna make this very, very easy for ourselves. Until 10 a.m. Once 10 a.m. hits, we're gonna start having some fun, I guess. But, so what do we see now? We can see an SMT at the top, right? What happens right after that? Bam, price starts moving lower. An inversion appears, right? Push to the downside. Neither of the chart took sell stops residing below. Most recent dealing range, equilibrium as well, right? What I'm gonna know, we have to put this to our notes, right? We just have to. So we're gonna watch this for the market open and how do we treat that. And we're gonna do something else as well. So 15 minutes is gonna be good enough. Where did we open today? Regular trading hours. Still have that gap to fill from yesterday. And we close at 18,793. So let me note this. We're not trading too far away from it. What do we have on ES? We have some ways to go. What do we have on 15 minutes? Otherwise, so midnight open. So far, what did we do? Dipped, pushed to the upside. Midnight open here. A little bit of a dip. Target reached. This is what we called for yesterday. 18,680. I've been waiting for that the whole day. You know? And bam, the markets are open. Liquidity orders, yay! You know, zero excitement actually, because we're gonna wait for those news. Edgar's, thank you. I learned from the best. Oh, I appreciate you saying that, man. Thank you. If it was meant for me. You know, you're not learning from the best, man. I'm not saying this to take that attention away from me, but I'm saying it with an honest heart. You know, you're learning from yourself. What have I taught you? I taught you a little bit of things about psychology. I taught you about how the markets move and yada yada. But you can't do anything with that information if you don't put the work in. You know? You've put some work in. You journaled. You show up here every single day. You're learning from yourself in a way. You're learning about your psychology. You're learning about your own behavior. No? I'm just here to support you. I'm just here to lead you. You know? On paper, I'm saying very, very honestly. From the whole knowledge that you have, I have very little to do with it. In terms of giving you the knowledge itself, you know? You've did it all yourself. Be proud in yourself because of that. I'm just here to lead you the right way. To give you some advice. to yell at you sometimes when I see bullshit happening, right? It's cool. Stay hydrated though, stay hydrated. What is Bonds doing? Nothing too cool. There's nothing cool about this neither though. Two markets that are supposed to correlate, moving into different directions. Good luck trading that. Like this. So let's see if this remains open. And this is exactly what happened yesterday. Opened in range, created a little bit of liquidity, bam, went lower. So then we just have to wait. Oh, okay, no more liquidity. I was hoping for something obvious, for something easy, you know? We have SMTs at the bottom though. Have those SMTs at the bottom. What do we do with the SMTs, huh? Look for inversions. If this buy side liquidity pool is not taken, I'm gonna enter this with a very, very small lot size, but I'm gonna enter it. It might end up very badly for me, but this is what I'm gonna do. No, I won't do it. Too big of a stop loss, I won't, so forget it, forget it, forget I said it. Let's see. Well, another reason why I'm saying forget it, because we have SMTs at the top. So look at this. In like period of 3 minutes, SMTs at the bottom, SMTs at the top. Like what are you supposed to do with that, huh? Yet, who can get a read on this, huh? This supported the price to the upside. What happens if we go below it? Not the first time I'm saying this. What happens? Inversion. Yeah. Very rapid market open though, right? Interesting to watch. Very interesting to watch. I don't suggest you do this at home though. I very much don't. But I'm in a trade. Full on contract, full gas. What I'm looking for the sell side to be tagged right down here. This looks just too juicy for me. So I'm watching that. God damn it. I just realized something. I didn't say. Yeah. So I have an order, right, running. It copied to 0 of my accounts. It went nowhere. I just realized that I didn't set up the full-on structure on my end to copy both minis and micros. I was testing the structure with like cross trading, whatever that term is. But cross, yeah. Ah, shoot. It's fine though. It's cool. This is a very good trade though. But what I was testing, so I was trying to figure out if I can just trade micros, and if I can push orders from micros to open up on accounts that need to trade minis, which will be so helpful, because right now what I've been looking to set up is just to have 2 trading views, one on the iPad because it would be another machine right here, and one on the screen that you're watching on your left hand side above me, above me. So I didn't set it up though, which is too bad, but I want to set that up because then I can trade my lower probability orders with micros, and I can trade those orders and open and push those orders into the accounts that need to have it open, right? At the same time, then I can, when I see a very good position like we do right now, which we're really gonna get killed on, that will be too bad. But and then I could just open bigger positions with minis, and that would go to the accounts where they have to go. But that requires me to set up 4 copy engines, which is just too much to handle sometimes. Too much to manage, But yeah. So far so good. Everything we wanted to see is happening. You realize that. We have an SMT at the top. ES took buy side liquidity pool. ES is inverting this. Not only that, we have a YouTube 2022 entry. Sell side resting below. Everybody should be in a trade. If you're not, I don't know that. But it's smart to wait for 10 AM. It is smart to wait for 10 AM today. Because 10 AM just can do a lot of things for us. And so far so good. Structure is holding a lot better than it was yesterday though. If you try to think what we had yesterday, what we had going yesterday, it was a rough market to navigate. Since we're waiting for the news to hit, I got a new toy. Gus already saw it. Watch this. Yo, I used to game tons when I was a kid, right? So this Mio plus something, Mio Mini Plus. So it's a, I don't even know how to call this. Gus, how do you call this? Chinese gaming setup. It's a thing that I got off Amazon, which literally allows you to, I have like 6,000 games on this device now, starting with Ninja Turtles, Pokemon, Street Fighter, every imaginable console, Game Boy knockoff, yeah, every imaginable console, Game Boy, Nintendo, Sega, everything is on that device, which can literally fit into my pocket. So, you know what I'm doing this weekend? That's my birthday present. My birthday is upcoming weekend. That's my present to myself. I got out from this. I got killed on that position. So we're out. And I'm gonna go into minis now. Micros, not me. Oh, my bad. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna have a little bit of fun. Let's see. Should be cool. It'd be cool. Yeah. What do we have? 5 minutes. ES is just looking nasty. NQ is looking a lot better. NQ just dove into what, that 1 hour inversion, which is cool. I like this. Bouncing away from it is something that I would appreciate as well. But we got to be careful with this 5 minute structure, right? So I'm gonna stick to the 5 minute chart for a little bit, okay? We just have to understand that there is this 5 minutes fair value, right? Just realize the fact that there is that 5 minutes fair value gap on NQ, right? Knowing that fact, we're inverting this 1 minute fair value gap, which I'm happy with, which is cool. Will that be an entry for me? Nope. Nope, thank you. This is the most recent bearish PDRA that held in the price, right? It's cool. Oh. Sorry about this. Not much is happening. We're still waiting, aren't we? Right? I'm still watching that euro position. Sorry, that's where I was. Right? I was just figuring out that euro position on my end. I don't like what dollar is doing. I want it to run and run and run. We're not getting that though, sadly. But it's cool though. We're waiting this out. We're waiting this out. We want to see a little bit more what the news will bring us, right? So let's see, what else do we have? So this bearish PD already held in the price break of structure, YouTube 2022 short entry. Now, we have to watch this fair value, right? Well, let's do that. Okay. And Q is looking for that 1 minute inversion, which is fine. This is an entry on paper, but I don't take it now. Why? Right here, there was an entry here. Make a guess why I'm not taking this. Just look at the stop loss. Like, what are you gonna do with the stop loss like this? Good luck. Good luck with that. Guys, can you let my dog in, please? Sorry. Let me do it. I'll be right back, guys. Give me 1 second, okay? Give me 1 second. My dog goes crazy when she's left behind the door. She feels like she's left at the home alone or something when she's behind the door and I'm not next to her. So, but yeah, watch this. Where is the price drawing towards to? We have that buy side liquidity pull up there. I like that. Where are we going from? 1 hour inversion, which is great. My dog is cool. I love my dog. She's cute. She's cute. Animal abuse. Animal abuse. Shut up, guys. Bum, bum, bum. This is cool. So far, so good, right? What do we have on NQ? This is not a trade. I'm just watching this. Yeah. Yes, drawing liquidity down here would be awesome before the news. Like before, in the next 10 minutes. That would be great. My euro position is in the profit, so that is even better. Yeah. I'm gonna have to go break even when the news hit though. Otherwise it's just possible very sad angle for me. There's so much sell side on EU though. So much sell side built in. Gonna be interesting. Have that SMT on the top, GU versus EU as well. It's interesting. Interesting. We'll see. 10 more minutes. Will EU close during that? Wait. Why is there... Okay, weird, but have a heart on the chat. So I can't see what Gus said exactly, which is so weird. Huh. There's a heart on the chat, so I can't see half of it. Which is like, what? Let me open it up again. So, will EU close during that much volatility? Will EU close during that? So, do you hear what they're saying? Will EU close during that much volatility? Ah, you ask, will my stop loss will be hit? Probably. Will my trade close itself if the stop loss is hit during this volatility? That's the question, right? Good question. Do we trust the broker to do that? We should. Do I? I don't. But I'm gonna get tagged before the news release even, so I won't have a chance to close it. I'm literally gonna get tagged in seconds. Too bad. I liked it. I like that possible entry. Which I was holding. But yeah, I really wanted this to bounce away from the new week opening gap. Same with Euro. We've built so much premium up here. Had that 5 minutes for value gap as well that I was kind of hoping to give way. Didn't get that. But so coming closer to the news, 5 minutes away from news now, right? I like what Nasdaq is doing. I like this. I like this. 1 hour inversion tagged, right? This 15 minutes for value gap still holding in the price, right? Which is great. 5 minutes chart. So I want this to get inverted first, right? I want this inversion to happen. Then we can go long. Then we can really go long because we have a lot of liquidity up there. We do. Can it push from here higher? Please. With ease. I'm not saying no to this. But I'm still waiting. I'm still allowing time to do the work. Oh, guess what happened 1 minute ago? I just got my Apex withdrawal. Which is awesome. That's cool. It's cool. Thank you, Apex. Anyhow, that fair value gap still holding in the price to continue lower. I think there's still a possibility for this to get tagged. So we just gotta wait it out. My EU is still holding on. Hooray! It's up and down like 200 bucks every minute, which is like, huh? I don't know if I want to hold on to that or I want to just kill the trade before the news hit. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do. I don't know. what I'm kind of thinking of doing. So I've been doing a lot of reading up and a lot of studying lately. Why? Because I was like, I got tired of turtle soups this week. So I was like, let me figure out turtle soups. Yeah, as if I'm hungry all the time or something. Jokes aside, I really wanted to learn about turtle soups. So I dig deep. Spent like 3 hours on Monday, another 2 on Tuesday or something like that. I've been spending time on this. This is a possibility. Why? Buy side taken. Consolidation. Buy side taken. Where's the liquidity? Down here. Buy the stops. Like, look at this. Where's the... Look at... Oh la la. What do you think? 5 handle stop loss? Like bear stand or 5 handle stop loss? Like, I'm literally thinking of this. I've never done it in front of you guys though. So it's a little bit dangerous, let's say. But I'm very much thinking about this. What more I'm thinking about is this possible break of structure on NQ. Watch this. Bam. Right? Price is caught. Bam. Order block tagged possibly, right? We have a volume imbalance. Watch that. I'm just kind of trying to play with the news and try to understand what are the news going to do. And I think there is a possibility of this just pushing the price to the upside, which I like. That kind of says, okay, you're going to get yourself killed with the EU, but I don't care. Inversion pushed to the upside from here as well. Why not? Yeah. Volume balance pushed to the upside from here as well. Why not? So watch this for the news. Watch these two PD arrays. And let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go. How cool is that? Nothing cool about this, huh? I'm kidding. You don't know what is gonna happen during the news. That's what I talk about all the time. We literally have no fucking idea what the news are going to do. Every single time it comes into market, we have zero clue about it. We have to realize that. We always have to think about it. So far, so good, right? PD arrays we wanted to see price being held are still holding them, right? Allowing the market to push higher, hopefully, right? So what are we watching? I'm watching this on NQ, I'm watching this on ES. If that continues holding like 2, 3 more candles, where the news kind of sinks in, releases, calms down as well. A lot of words, but you got the idea, right? 2, 3 more candles. If the structural holds, we can start looking for an entry. Not yet though. I'm just gonna let that EU rip. I don't know, like that position. I like the risk reward, everything there. If I get tagged, if I get killed, I get killed. I don't care. It's gonna be fine. But let's watch this. Where are we looking at for the price to deliver? 5 minutes again, right? We want this to get inverted, that's for sure. 15 minutes held in the price. Hourly held in the price. Good. Bias bullish. Why? We have those juicy stop losses above the price. Not only that, we have SMTs at the bottom. 1 hour SMTs, right? But we need the market to start breaking the structure a little bit more than it is right now, because now we just got broken to the downside. This is not what I wanted to see, which is cool. Five. Again, liquidity. If this is gonna be the high of the day, like that it's just gonna be sad. Could be though. Could be. Let's see. I don't like this. For a buy, I don't like a lot of things, right? For a buy, I don't like this holding at the price. I don't like the fact that buy stops we're taking and we have an SMT. Did we take sell side afterwards? Yeah, kinda. But we have more remaining down there. We're creating this trend line as well that I don't want anything to do with trend lines today. You know? So we're gonna wait for that 5-minute inversion, I guess. This 5 minutes supporting the push to the upside here. Bam. Massive. There's no SMTs at the bottom. No, there's not. And dollar index still stuck. So I really wanted the dollar index to open up a little bit more, but we didn't get that. What are we getting now? We're waiting for that inversion. We're waiting for it. Nothing else. And Euro just got killed. So that's an inversion. Do I take this? This is literal inversion right here. Initial target up here to close the whole range. That's the top of the regular trading hours gap. Yeah. Dollar is moving. Dollar is running lower rapidly. So let's see. 5 minutes inversion. Gonna have to wait. I have to stay true to myself. I'm gonna have to wait. Yesterday we went into a few positions way too early, so I don't want to do that. Usually I go in when I trade inversions right away, like without too much of confirmation. That's what usually hurts me the most. Double top, kind of, right? Relative equal highs here. Let's see. I'm interested in higher prices. I want to see more confirmation, but that's just for myself. Why I'm saying this? Because I'm in a drawdown this week. First week in like, what, 6 weeks or so that I'm playing with a little bit of drawdown, so gotta fix it. And so far so good, I can't lie, like, so far so good. I'm not in this though. I have this just so I can track it a little. I'm not in this trade. I'm just still watching. So if this 5-minute inversion happens, I'm happy with it. It's just gonna be go time for me. Why? Because I love this. I love the fact that this 1 hour inversion kind of supported the idea of the price going higher. I like that a little bit of sell side was run through. I like this 15 minutes rally gap supporting the price. A lot of things I like. Now this is the last line of defense. This fair value gap out here at what? 930. Allowed the market to go lower. Right? So we want to see it inverting. So far, not so good. Consolidation, the enemy of ours, right? The worst enemy, consolidation. We just gotta wait it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't need NQ doing this like at all. There's no need for this. But yes, that's cool. Yes, that's all right. I understand. It's fine. Southside is being tagged, possibly, right? This is a rabbit push to the downside, but there was no real entry though. That's something that is kind of freaking me out. I might just have my whole bias for the day wrong, which is possible. But at the same time, let's see. Let's see. We're tagging that 1 hour for value gap again, right? We're tagging sell side on ES, which is cool. Totally reasonable as well, right? Buy side taken rapidly, move to the downside, yeah? We didn't need this to happen though. We didn't need that. Sell side tagged. Who's happy now? Everybody who went short is happy. Am I right? Huh? My euro is running lower now. Let's check in. Dollar. Finding support at this last line of defense. Just fine by me. Euro. Like. Huh? GBP. And we come back to this. "15 minutes, like this getting inverted is kind of amazing me. Does it mean that this will get tagged a lot later than now? Possibly. Where do we have the high of the week though? This is gonna be interesting, so let me take this. Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, high of the week, Thursday, low of the week. This is possible now. Just like we had it last week. Tuesday, low of the week, high of the week was Thursday. That's just purely weekly profiling. Time of date for the price to do it. Reasonable as well, right? So, what are we looking at? 5 minutes for value gap here, possibly, right? Will be a while for it to close. 4 more minutes, right? This 5 minutes got inverted, which is just like, what? This is fine by me, but am I really going to be wrong for a second day in a row? Okay, I wasn't wrong yesterday. I called both sides of the market, and what I wanted to see why I was wrong is just I couldn't wait so long. Very simply, I just got annoyed of waiting, literally. What are you guys thinking? What are you people thinking? I'm interested to know. Right? Because we've been doing this and watching this for months now. What is on your mind? What are you thinking? Possible entry somewhere? Yes? No? I'm happy to do some listening. Teach me. Tell me. So far, so weird. Let's say that way. Double top, and like there's so much liquidity on the other side of the market. So much. So I'm still waiting. This is opening up. Slow. Hmm. Still waiting. Silver bullet here? Yes, of course, I agree. Do I trade silver bullets? No. Possible entry here, so let's look for more confirmations. Okay. I like the fact that sell side was taking. I love that. Very good. Muy bien. More equals though. What do we have on EQ and going? I don't want this any lower. Can we go lower? Yes, we can. Do I want it going lower? No. I really want that buy side liquidity pool on the other side of the market to be tight. I really do. So let's watch this now. Fair value gap. Yeah. Thank you. Fair value gap. So far so good. Silver bullets. So far so good. Yeah. Now let's come back to this. Now in Q, inverting this 5 minutes for value gap. This is what I want. I like this. I love this low resistance liquidity. Like, I love that. I love conditions like this. Brilliant. You know? Let's see what's next. Now what I'm starting to like is kind of the price maybe even giving another push lower. That creating an SMT. So for example, yes, going lower below this and Q failing to do that. SMT at the bottom would be awesome. Push to the upside from here? Yeah, sure. Fine by me. But then I need to see that inversion happening. Without one, it's a little bit difficult. Huh? But this is we're getting confirmation for bullishness in the market, let's say. Okay? We're getting some confirmation, which is great. What did I say? What? 30 minutes ago. Turtle soup. 5 minutes, 5 handle stop loss. Turtle soup. Getting confirmed. See where I'm going? Fair value gap up here. Well, let's wind that. If we can close above it, and what, in 3 minutes? I would highly appreciate that. Nobody wants to talk to me though. What are you guys watching? What are you guys thinking, huh? Because I like what is happening, right? Buy side taken, cool, put it different. Consolidation, buy side taken. Sell side taken, turtle soup entry from here, right away, bam, right? It's cool. Everybody's waiting to press a button, that's so true. Silver bullet, that's cool. Push to the upside, cool as well. Let's see if we can get this inversion on NQ. I like those equal highs as well, man. Like, it's not that I like them. I'm almost married to them. That's how much I like them, you know? 16 seconds, let's see. Another push to the downside if this doesn't get inverted is possible though. I would love to see an SMT on the lows. That would be crazy good. That would be great. You know? If you are in this turtle soup, I think I would be taking my risk off slowly. Looking to go break even. Otherwise, yeah, it's just a silver bullet trade, like, I'd love to see an SMT at the lows. That would be crazy good. If we can get that, then there's something we can work with right away. So let's see. Allow the market to run. We waited for what? We waited for 3.5 hours? Close to 4 hours yesterday? I got my fake Game Boy here, I can game a little. You know? Aye. Watching this. right? Keep in mind about that 50% level of the wick, right? This is good. Push to the upside above this is good. So far, so good. Inversion, please. Hmm. 2 more minutes. Two more minutes. Not getting there. Just like it was yesterday, there is still a possibility of lower lows. Thursday, low of the week, like why not? Yeah, but I'm not entering that short. I want those buy side liquidity pools to be taken away from us. Tanya shorted 18733. 18733. She went short here. Oh la la. Yes, empties at the highs, I understand. I'm just gonna wait. It's fine by me. The lower the market draws, the better. Meaning the more way to the upside we're gonna be able to catch, right? So I'm gonna wait. I might be missing out on a trade. Fine by me. What do we have? We have this supporting the price. We have this supporting the price as well now, right? We're still good. We're still holding in there. What do we have here? Nothing too crazy. 4 minutes. 4 minutes inversion confirmed. We need a 5-minute inversion now. 3 minutes. Cool. Too cool. I'm gonna say it. I think Tanya might be wrong. Might. Keyword. Might. Like a very big liquidity pool was just taken. Why would I ever go short here? Not for me. Not for me. But this is making me interested on ES, right? I have liquidity risk below still. Inversion. 6 handles. 2/3 handles stop loss. Cleaning ladies. Cleaning ladies. Cleaning ladies. Bum bum bum. So I'm in. Sorry for that. Like, got disturbed. I would like to add to this though. 5257. 5257. I'd love to add to this though still. We don't want anything above here though. I'd love to add this. If I can't, I can't. It's fine, but so this is an inversion beer simply, right? I have a little bit of sell side resting right below the market price. The swing low, right? I'm happy with that. We're approaching the 10 to 11 macro as well. Running sell side during the macro down here would be amazing. Like, I would love to see that. Then we could just run it all the way to the upside. SMTs at the lows would be highly appreciated though. Like, I would love to see an SMT at the bottom here. If we get that, then we're kind of closing our eyes and we're saying let's rip it. You know? There's nothing cool about this move though. You know why? Because dollar is moving in tandem, going lower, which I dislike very much. SMT so far, so let's see if ES can hit it or not. It's also taken on NQ. We can literally just rip to a new daily low with these. I'm not saying no to this. But ay, that's juicy. I'd love this to come in sync. I'd love this to start trading in tandem though. No. Because I won't be able to add to this position, so I'd like just these two bad boys to get in sync and just invert this afterwards. Like up here. I'd love this to remain open for us to get to this later. That would be cool. Might not be given, so I'm kind of ready to kill the trade. Another 5 minutes for value gap opening up, right? Edgar's. I accidentally pressed buy instead of sell. Dude. I guess what happens, right? I I've done it before. I've done it, man. So can't judge. I can't. So I can't judge, man. It happens. Oh, but it's funny. Let's see. Not my day. It's okay, man. It's okay. We're gonna get in sync on ES and NQ. We're gonna get in sync ourselves with the markets very soon. And then we're just gonna start having some fun. How low can we go? We can easily go to previous day lows with ease. I'm not saying no to that. Okay? So I'm gonna push this a little bit lower. I'm gonna start watching now. What is gonna happen, right? We might even be able to continue allowing this to rip. NQ goes for that previous day low. That's awesome. I like that. Because now this is just an equal low. Like we want the market to push below it. We want to see that. There's a fair value gap right below those lows as well. We want to see that. So that's why I'm waiting. Can we go break even? Yes, we can. So I'm gonna do that. Last line of defense down here. Five-minute chart. Cool. I wanted to tag us a little bit lower than just creating another equal low, you know? That's why I'm not taking this off. Like this should be like one tick lower. And here we go. Thank you. We're good. Relax, shake it off. Good trade so far. Well, let's see. Sell side taken. What are we looking at? We're looking at an SMT, right at the lows. Can the NQ just continue lower down to this with ease? I'm not saying no to this. I'm not. Do I wish it wouldn't? Oh, yes I do. We're We're not getting that. Friday tomorrow though, so far the market has been bearish. What do we want the market to do on Friday usually when that happens? Huh? We usually want to see the market retracing back into the range. Thus TGIF, right? We'll see. Watching this. I have this SMT in terms of this being a new weekly low. ES failing to do that. ES weekly low is down here. Yeah. Well, let's see. Gonna have to see. Can you drop lower and lower with these guys? Like with these, if you're still holding on to this, just go break even and let it rip. Why not? Like, it's good. It's good to have a runner on a day like this. It can bottom out like anywhere, kind of. You know? Same time, we have those SMTs, we have the market that is kind of pushing pressure towards the upside now, right? We can work with which market is a lot stronger than another. ES is, right? Why? Because ES failed to create a lower low. This is the weekly low down there. NQ created the lower low. So what do we have? We have an SMT with NQ trading lower. ES failing to do that. Yeah. Let's see. I like this. I do. Not too big of a stop loss and like that. We will rip, boys. If we fail here, that will be it from me, kinda. But if we get this done, then we're Gucci. This can become very, very fun very quickly. Like, watch it. Just let's watch. Can we fail out here with these? I'm not saying no. Have to put this into our notes. Volume balance right here. Yeah. Different volume balance. We have a fair value gap down there, so that can get tagged. It's fine, but closing below this is iffy for me. I don't like that too much. We're finding kind of support on the hourly chart, right? So keep that in mind. We're creating why I'm entering it so quickly like this, right? Because we're creating an SMT in a spot which is not too random, right? Which has an hourly fair value gap. We just ran through sell stops, right? SMTs like that are usually incredibly strong. You know? All I want to see is now closures. Closures above the current market price. Like the market's starting to rip through. I want to see that. So let's watch this now. Well, there's an issue with this. There's always this. There's all, you know, every time I say there's an issue with this, usually there is. Because when I don't say anything, we just kind of rip and we take profits after 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, you know. Issue with this is that usually we talked about this as well, guys. We not only talked about it on stream, we talked about it in real life when we met earlier this week. Usually after this happens, after sell side liquidity is getting taken, first entry usually is rough to handle, let's say. Usually what you want to do, you want to see the first entry as a confirmation and let it rip. And then re-enter afterwards, you know? You need certainty. Oh. If I would be certain about this, this would be like 10 micros right away. Now I'm just with 3. So ripping through this is gonna be awesome. I'm just hoping for that to happen now. Since I'm in ES, I won't touch in Q. And Q is kind of offering exactly the same setup now. So let's take this away from the chart. But we want to rip through this though. We don't want to be bouncing away from this like we are. Because what does it show us? What do we have? We have a 5-minute for value gap here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing too good. But the macro is starting, right? Still the macro can run some sell stops for us, which would be sad, right? But I'm very much hopeful for higher prices now afterwards. So let's see if we can hold on to this. If we do, great. If we can't, it is what it is. We gotta take some losses to profit afterwards. That's the beauty of trading. We have to, how to say it? We have to pay up. We have to pay the market in a way. Be able to take profits away from it later on, you know? But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna count to 3 every single time. This is like 35th time I'm saying this. We're gonna count to 3. This is gonna be 1. Oh, this is gonna be ugly. It's first PD array that was supposed to be bullish got broken, right? This is gonna be 2. That volume imbalance. If that gets broken, then it remains with this fair value gap. And if that gets broken, we're closing the trade. We won't let the full sell stop to get hit. Stop loss itself, we won't. Because 3 PD array is broken, that will mean just that we're just full on wrong. And I don't want to be wrong in this. I don't. Let's see. Last line of defense. If that fails, I'm out. That will mean that we're just gonna go for a lower low that I don't want to participate in. So far, so good. Do I add into a position in a situation like this? Like, nope. There's 2 bullish PD arrays got broke. Yeah. 2 of them got broken. We don't want to get killed because there's only last line of defense left in this trade. You know? What do we want to see next? We want to see those inversions happening. So first, bullish PD array is holding at the price on in Q. This order block, right? We're good. Outside taken, SMT order block, bomb, all good. What we want to see on NQ now is run through this. This will be an entry point, right? What do we have on here? We just have a very big pile of mess on ES. So let me take those off. Volume imbalance again, tagged. We're just waiting. What I don't like about this, so this has been a very difficult week. Why? Because when I trade, this is me, right? Come on, don't do some blow, and blow it a little bit, you know. When I trade, I very much trust what dollar index is doing, right? And just like I want to see ES and NQ doing same things, sometimes SMT is being created and stuff like that, which is cool. But I want to see them moving in tandem. I want to see dollar moving against this, or in other words, when dollar makes a movement, I want to see ES and NQ reacting, making a reaction into another direction, right? Right now, we've been just like yesterday, every single time that dollar moved higher, indices did the same. Today, every move to the downside on dollar is a move to the downside on futures, which on paper shouldn't happen, which on paper makes this very difficult to navigate. That's why we're having difficulty. When those two move in alignment against each other, dollar and futures, it's brilliant. A trade like this to pan out takes 5 minutes tops. Right now we're struggling because those two are moving in tandem. Issue here is as well that forex is listening to dollar. Dollar has been falling for the last 4 hours, just moving lower. What did euro do? What did pound do? It just shoot up higher. You know? Hey, boss. Hello. That's cool. How are you today? Hello, hello. Ah. Hello, hello. Oh yeah. That's the difficulty for me. So again, waiting for 3 PD arrays to get broken to kind of forget about this, right? 5 minutes volume, This one, yeah. Yeah. But so and then Q, I like this order block. Like I do like this. This is cool. On ES, not too shabby. Like nothing to my liking. We're gonna have to kill this, and we're gonna have to look for another entry possibly. On my end, at least, you know. But it's cool. I'd much rather just talk to you guys and then hopefully teach you something about what I'm used to doing, you know, in front of the charts, instead of just watching this on my own and just kind of mashing my head around, because I've been caught in this consolidation. Like this is pure ugliness. Nothing cool about this. Is this going to be another SMT though? So watching this, right? But that doesn't help. That doesn't help at all. So we've spent what? 14 minutes in this. I kind of said I want to see it rip in 5. if this, so again, right? Swing high up here, swing another swing high that I'm not too interested. That it means nothing for us still because we're collecting even more sell stops here. Let's see. So for me, NQ, bullish bias broken. Right. This SMT didn't bring an inversion, so I'm not interested in NQ. This the macro is finishing in 10 minutes, so before it finishes, we want to see it move. I don't want this hanging out and about here. Another SMT at the loss, right? But we're just creating way too much liquidity, just like we did yesterday. We're creating this to get attacked sooner or later, right? Meaning that there's a possibility for us just to get killed on the straight, right? And I'm not going to be interested in this if we close below that last 1 minute for valid gap. So stop loss goes a lot higher right away. Boom, tag. See? Waiting game again. We're gonna do some waiting again. So unfortunately, we're gonna be looking to attack those sell stops residing below. On ES as well, not only in Q. So this is SMT didn't prevail, right? We just got killed on that SMT. Let's do some checking again on dollar. You see, so take a look at NQ, take a look at dollar, and find me 3 differences. That's the most difficult part about this week. The dollar is literally just moving in tandem together with indices, which just can't end well. This hourly got inverted, yeah. So, taking this off, what do we have? Taking this off, taking this off. Hourly for value gap, right? Sell side taken. Think we're just gonna continue lower now. I don't trust this bouncing away so quickly. Do I like this push to the upside from where we are trading right now? Like, not at all. What for? In a way, you know. What for? Again, right? Another inversion. But I can't take this. Now you say, ooh, you didn't take it, now it rips, you know? Same target remains for me. 5298. Same exact target. How many times are we gonna attempt this, right? Yes, we have that inversion. We had this inversion. Do you play around with it and say, okay? What do we have here? We have a stop loss of around 2 handles. Oh, here we have a stop loss of around 10 handles. Reasonable, full on. Why not? I understand the trade like this, but risky again. Risky again. Like, it easily can go against you. But on paper, it is an inversion. Yeah? On paper, it can bring some retracement into the market. Just like the previous inversion did, right? Did it bring retracement into the market? It did. Did it offer a bigger move to the upside? No, it failed up here. Where did it fail? It failed at a fair value. It didn't fail at a random level. It failed somewhere where we wanted to fail, right? I'm trusting this new day opening up too much, I think. This one. I feel like I am, let's say. Let's take these off. Dollar? No, nothing interesting happening in dollar. Like, not at all compared to indices. Like, we're just moving in tandem. We're just moving together. Triple lows here. No, let's stay away from forex. Not interested. Not at all. That's not today, at least. In the morning, I was. In the morning, I liked the setups. Right? Even the New York session, I liked the setups as well. I did. Not anymore. So we're gonna watch the sell side being taken. Possibly. Like, unless there's something. Nah. It should allow the market to push through it. This though. Let's check. Still holding in. But at the same time, like, we're gonna have to wait for lunch just like we did yesterday though. We're gonna have to wait for it. Still holding on to those SMTs of meaning ES is a lot stronger market on paper. Does it mean there's space to work with? Not really. Not really. So I want to see some higher time frame imbalances now being pushed through. Example, this 5-minute, right? That would be great. That would be awesome. We would also have a 1-minute break of structure above this high, which is great. Right? 2 minutes to go. Thin. Macro on paper doing its job. Macro on paper running through sell side liquidity down here. Look on NQ. Exactly the same, right? So 1 minute to see that possible inversion. Let's see again. 1 hour support. In terms of fair value gap, push to the upside, 5 minutes, not giving way yet. 5 minutes here, possibly giving. There can be a massive retracement on NQ though, which will be a little bit rough to handle, but I'd love to see both markets inverting though. NQ and ES at the same time, that would be awesome. That would be great. Good. We got it. Good stuff. 5 minutes inversion. Visible. 1 minute inversion on ES as well. Great. This again can retrace massively though. So entry was up here, just like we would treat a regular inversion. Stop loss is 20 handles. Makes it difficult. Makes it very, very difficult. Because it's a lot of drawdown. And again, dollar moving in tandem. Dollar moving together with indices. With futures. Nothing that you want to see happening. Value, right? C and Q for value. Possibly an optimal trade entry as well up here. But now you want it to rip. We've taken sell side 3 times in a row now. You know? We've taken enough from the market. Now you want to see it either quickly retrace or just continuously push higher. Dollar is offering that. Finally. Dollar is pushing low. and then futures are pushing lower, which makes it a very interesting day today, you know? Aye. Nothing to my real liking just yet, you know? Nothing. Mm-hmm. No inside candles, no nothing. So I'm not certain of anything, right? This 1122 on ES is kinda an inside candle. It's an equal low there. It's fine, but an inside candle in this range would be awesome, like that one. Would one more in here would kind of mean, okay, we're gonna finally figure out what is going to happen, you know? We might finally get released, let's see. "30 minutes into the lunch, so this is getting late into the day, you know? Gotta consider that. Entering again possibly won't be there anymore, right? First opening, huh? First opening that kind of interests us, right? That inversion, all good. Running through, all good. Now we have to start noting stuff. Why? As example, yes, right? Equal highs taken, push below, opens up a U2 2022 entry, right? So we want to start marking everything off so we don't miss anything. Everything that kind of could possibly indicate us being wrong in terms of what we're expecting the price to deliver. Gotta put it in your notes. So far so good though. Yeah guys, with this in mind, I'm kind of gonna start closing this off. A little bit late for me already, so I'm gonna start closing the stream off. I'm gonna finish off the day, do a little bit more of work, make sure I'm catched up with everything by the end of this day. And I'm gonna say thank you for showing up, thank you for being here, thank you for passing by. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye.